inside, we're gonna see what's inside this toy gun, die-cast metal. So let's check it out. And now it is loaded, and let's try it out. Okay. Let's see if we target that Mickey. What's going on? Okay. Looks like one ball is right over here. And another one was here, and another one was here. Okay, so this is it. Let's see what's inside this gun. Okay, so we have a spring, and we have this part which I use for loading. Okay guys, now I will show you how it works. This spring keeps the balls, the plastic balls pressed up here, and now this is how the gun loads.
Basically what happens is that each time you arm the gun, each ball is taken individually and pushed to the barrel. Even though the ball's road is longer, the ball should be already there when it is hit. Even though the ball's road is longer, it is done faster. Very clever, right?
When we arm the gun, here you can see that the balls are pushed up, and when we fire, then on this pipe, there you see it, and there it goes. Okay. So, oh my god, the ball went through this, under this layer. So this ball won't hurt you, but won't go into your skin, but will definitely hurt. Okay, so these are toys. What we learned from this is that first of all, you should pay attention to safety. You should probably wear glasses, because even though this is a toy, the balls bounce back, and it's kind of dangerous, but you should always be careful. See you in the next one. Comment if you want. Tell me what you think about it. It was kind of fun and dangerous fun. And see you in the next one, guys. Bonus clip.
Hey, listen!
Preferably use you should preferably you should use glasses. Okay.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.